Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. I know it's been some time since I've posted a video, so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. And I'm hoping to be way more consistent this time and actually schedule and be on point every week with my videos. As you can tell, I already posted up a video of cooking my melassadas, my recipe that I have that I got from another YouTuber that I actually love so much. I watched all her videos and I find that most of her stuff is kind of like my grandmother's cooking. So it's like back home stuff, which I love. I want to get back into the swing of things. I want to put out more videos, more vlogs of my, lifestyle cooking, traditional meals, also maybe some meals that are not so traditional, stuff that I know my kids like, that I think would actually help other moms out there, especially because I have a picky eater. And, maybe I can find a meal or two, I'll put it in my vlogs, and then if she likes it, amazing. It's one of my core recipes then after, right? So that's probably what we're gonna do today. I actually wanted to make a soup using my bone broth, and then I'll probably make these like muffin cookie things that I found a recipe from another person that I follow, of course. I'll put her channel down below too because I really like everything that she posts. She has a picky eater, so I think those meals look really fun when she makes them. She does a lot of batch cooking. And that's probably something I want to do in the future that I might end up doing here on my channel as well. Some, batch cooking meals, meal planning for the week. What else? I have some vlogs that I did from when we travel. So if we travel again, I'll probably do another vlog of our travels because that's always fun. I love looking back on them and seeing all the video footage that I have of the kids. I absolutely love it. So right now, everybody's just outside. I said pretty much everybody out. I need to quickly film an intro or else we're never gonna get it done. And then we're gonna start cooking and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and keep watching. And if you enjoy what you're watching, please subscribe and like the video. Everything helps. If you wanna leave me a comment, things that you'd like to see around my house, or any questions about the kids, or I don't know, just anything. Recipes. Ooh, you got a good recipe for a picky eater? I'll take it. I'll definitely try. Definitely. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna make my bone broth now. Let's get it going. Got my pot. I wonder if this is big enough. Maybe not. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. This is my chicken stock that I already have. It asks to put a can of coconut milk. I'm gonna need coconut, avocado oil. I need 2 jarred roasted red peppers. So I have some red peppers that are roasted, and then we are gonna put all these ingredients in there. Let me see, what else do I need? Coconut, baby spinach, basil, salt. What else? I have everything here. Everything. Roasted red pepper. Roasted red peppers, diced onions, my chicken bone broth, canned full fat coconut milk, avocado oil. What else? My baby spinach. 3 cups of baby spinach. And this is 4 cups of my bone broth. And this will make my soup. And soup is good for like a couple days because I drink it for lunch or my afternoon snack. I'll have this, and it actually makes me feel really good in my tummy. And that to me is all that matters. So All right, here we go. This takes time, so this will be here for a while. And then we'll continue doing other stuff. So as you can see, I have a yellow pepper. We're just gonna use it up because I need to. Sophia has her sunglasses on. Watch out, Sophia. Watch out. You guys, my Sophia has Barbie sunglasses. What? Mr. Lucas, say hi. Say hi. All right, so what you guys saw was a little mishmash of a bunch of things. Basically, I didn't get to finish any of the things that I was talking about or do, except for the soup. I got the soup. So that's okay. Like that's what happens, right? Right? When you're always like on the go and every night, really long days, and but every day is a good day, you know what I mean? And that's why I couldn't exactly finish vlogging. Camera died, and then just one thing after another. But it's okay. So I hope you guys stick around and watch more videos. They'll definitely be better planned out. I'll try and get better, storylines basically, and try and film something proper. This is my first video back, my first vlog back, and I hope it was not too terrible. You got something out of it at least. A bone broth soup. Yummy. Oh my god. My husband and my family thinks I'm crazy. Oh, bone broth, so good for you. But it's okay. Most important is that I like it, right? That's all. And if you guys like it, you can try it out too. I can leave the recipe down below. It's not an issue. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, later guys.